If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed. Here it is. The cost of standing still is far greater than the cost of moving forward. Most people are afraid to move, afraid to take the risk, afraid to make the wrong decision, afraid to step into something uncertain, so they choose what feels safe. They stay where they are, they keep the same routine, they keep postponing the decision. Standing still feels comfortable, but what most people don't realize, standing still has a price, a quiet price. Every day you delay the step you know you should take, your confidence shrinks a little more. Every time you ignore the opportunity in front of you, your belief in yourself weakens. Every time you silence the voice inside that says go, you train yourself to stay small. Standing still doesn't protect you, it slowly drains you because deep down you know you are capable of more. You feel it when you see someone else take the leap you were afraid to take. You feel it when the same dream keeps returning to your mind. You feel it when you imagine the life you could build if you stopped waiting. The hardest thing about standing still is not the moment itself, it is the years that pass while nothing changes. Opportunities disappear, energy fades, regrets grow quietly in the background, and one day people wake up and ask themselves a painful question: what would my life look like if I had started earlier? But the good news is this: you are not stuck, you are just one decision away from momentum, one step away from progress, one moment of courage away from a completely different future. Moving forward doesn't mean everything will be perfect. You may stumble, you may adjust, you may learn lesson along the way, but at least you will be moving. And movement changes everything. Movement creates confidence, movement creates opportunities, movement creates growth. Standing still creates none of those things. So, if there is something inside you that keeps saying, it's time, listen to it. Not next month, not next year, now. Because the life you want will never appear while you are standing still. It only appears for those who decide to move. Say this with me: I refuse to stay where growth is waiting for me to move. I take bold action without overthinking. Momentum starts the moment I move. Standing still has a cost, and today you choose not to pay it. Before you leave this moment, ask yourself one honest question: what is the real cost of staying exactly where you are? Not just today, but 6 months from now, a year from now, 5 years from now, because standing still doesn't freeze life in place. Time keeps moving, opportunities keep moving, the world keeps moving. The only question is whether you move with it. You don't need a perfect leap today. You need one honest step, one decision that tells your future: I am no longer waiting for life to change. I am becoming the person who changes it. So, as you step back into your day, remember this: fear may slow you down, doubt may whisper in your mind, but they only win when you stop moving. Say it with strength: I refuse to stand still in a life that is asking me to grow. I move forward even when the path is not perfect, because the cost of standing still is too high. And today, you moved anyway. Thank you for being here.